My name is Ajit. I'm studying at Park Fast. My school name is Out English Medium School. Today activity is this and that. This word used to singular foreigner
A
or
person.
person or object that is close to me. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mutraj. My school name is Out English Medium School, Sutati. Today activity is this and that. That also used to singular person object that
Pa-
is farther
away
away from me.
from me.
This is onion. That is onion. This is the pen. That is a pen. This is a lip. That is a lip. This is a pencil. That is a pencil. This is a chili. That is a chili. This is a stick. That is a stick.